Ponder this one with me. Which of your senses, touch, hearing, smell, taste, or sight, is most important to you? Which one of those things would you be least willing to relinquish? And there's plenty of people that go through life without the ability to hear or see or touch, right? Or taste. Which of those is most meaningful to your experience in life? I think for most of us, vision, right? I can't drive. I can't navigate. I'm not going to fly an airplane. I can't look at my beautiful wife or watch the sunset. Vision is so important. But for some reason, many of us don't really do a good job of protecting it. They say every year 2.4 million people end up in the ER or a doctor's office because of damage to their eyes. And of those, 90% or more could have been avoided with good old-fashioned safety glasses, eye protection. As a boy, I lost most of the vision in this eye due to a very stupid avoidable accident. I've gone through life with diminished eyesight. That's why you see me shoot a long gun on my left side, even though I'm a right-handed individual. We're going to visit our friends at Tacticalrx today. They are a subsidiary of Sports Optical. That company makes all of the glasses that I use out on the range, out in life. And they do my lifestyle glasses, right? I have them put lenses in my glasses. All of my lenses are safety rated, and these are prescriptions, so they can do your prescription or not the prescription. The owner of the company had a background as an engineer in the Army, so he knew about things like explosives and construction and dust from helicopters and all of those types of things. So when he got out of the Army, he went and used his GI Bill to figure out how to make glasses. And he had an idea that he was going to make some that did a better job at protecting, gave you the prescription you needed, and didn't break the bank. His name's Brett Hunter. His boys work with him. They got a great company. I'm going to take you in there today and just show you them making some new lenses for my glasses. Fantastic people from Sports Optical / Tacticalrx in Denver, Colorado. They ship all over. And we have a code that I'll share with you at the end of this video. Let's get right into it. So I'm at Tacticalrx today, getting my glasses fixed up. What do you do here?
This is where I mark your prescription so I know where...
Which one's which, and what's your name? You've been on our videos before.
I'm Ian. Hello.
One of the owners?
Not yet, but owner's son.
Do you keep feeding Dad some
Yeah,
little bit of too much bad stuff? You might get him out of here.
Maybe someday.
So you guys do everything from skiing, snowboarding goggles to just regular everyday prescriptions, right?
Yeah, basically anything you need to look at it, we can make it for you. I can even make glasses for night vision goggles.
Ooh.
Cool.
And right now you are taking some lenses, because I scratched mine up, for my sunglasses, which are prescription, and dialing them in so I can see again. What's this thing do?
So this is a lensometer, and it measures the prescription in the lens, and because of astigmatism, your eyeball, it sits on a 180-degree axis, so when I put it in here, I have to measure it out so it comes out to your eyeball measurement.
Nice. Oh, so they made you some too. These are, what are these ones called?
The Mad Scientist?
That's the Mad Scientist.
Yeah.
So these are your new range glasses for sunny days with side protection. And that's in her prescription.
Yes, I love them.
Now what's the old Shapefinder
So
2.0 do?
This machine takes a picture of the lens and then will make the shape of that lens, so when I cut this circle out, it cuts it into that shape.
Putting it right where
Hopefully,
I need it.
Fits perfectly.
Hopefully. You ever screw one up?
All the time.
Shh. Don't tell
But
Dad.
that's part of the job.
That's the best part of the job. Okay, so you got all kinds of stuff going on here. I don't want to stop you because we got stuff to do, but this is not just pop in some lenses, huh?
So this program, I get to choose how the lens gets cut too, depending on this job. I mean, sometimes jobs are like real flat like this, but then sometimes like yours, it has to have like a V bevel to
I
sit
see.
into the frame, you know?
I see. If you don't have that, your lenses will pop out. And...
Exactly.
So now you're doing your little sticky pad that helps orient it in the machine.
Yeah, so I have to make sure that I get the numbers right here that make your eyeball sit where it sits, and then actually kind of measure this.
Pupillary distance, or what's this one called?
This one's the bridge, and then the pupillary distance, and both of them together
Okay.
help me figure out where your eyeball sits.
In relationship to the center of the lens, or where the...
Exactly, so where I marked up those dots, it has to sit where your eyeball sits in the frame.
Am I screwing you up?
No. No. I just want to make sure not to screw up your glasses.
So this thing puts it on there, not you.
Yeah, and then I stick it on, and it should be, see how it's kind of a little off the center of the lens? But that's going to be the center of your...
Done?
Not quite.
Not
now
quite.
It's feeling how thick it is.
Laser beams. It's kind of hard to see through there.
I
So-
usually cut it a little big, just in case.
I've heard you do this before.
Because it's better too big than too small. Yeah, so it's a little too big.
So you just like take like 1% off.
And now I'll go in and I can take off. It goes down to the thousandth of a millimeter.
Woo hoo hoo.
So I'll cut off a tenth of a millimeter.
A tenth of 1 millimeter.
Hopefully it fits in all the way around.
Trying to work here. What are you doing?
Alex picked these out for me.
Those are pretty cool.
Yeah, he said he loves them.
I think they look great. You want to get them?
Maybe.
All right. So next lens.
Yep, just get it prepped up the same way. That's good to go.
Cool. This is the other lens getting cut now, right?
That's the first lens.
Oh, that's the first lens
Yep.
getting trimmed back up.
Hopefully now.
So now you check to see the fit.
Yeah.
Come on, fingers crossed.
Now it should pop right in. Yep. Just like that.
Fantastic.
No wiggle, no nothing. We're perfect.
If you had wiggle, then what? You got a little goop you put on there?
No, we gotta redo it.
You'd have to be like, your glasses aren't done today, huh?
Our glasses aren't good enough. Gotta redo it.
Oh, no. So you'd have to have the lens maker make a new one.
That's why I cut it a little big first. So
You've learned this lesson.
Yeah, exactly.
Best thing about this place is this sticker right there. Did you make that?
No, that's Lindsay Kuhn. He did the mural on the side of the building.
Ah. And then every time I'm come here, I got to play with this wiener knife. That's badass. Where'd you get that?
I don't remember. Does it come
So
up
this
with-
one, did you cut to the smaller dimension, or you still go the higher dimension, and
This one should be cut to size.
so you just trust?
Yeah.
They're tight. I put them back in there, and I was scared I was going to break something.
Well, they're glass too, so they don't like to
No
bend
flexing.
around. Yeah. Where our lenses are polycarbonate, so you got a tiny bit of flex.
What's next?
That should do it. We got to clean them up now. Pop them up.
So a little edge buffery.
Yep. So when it comes out, the edges are super sharp. So the last step is just
Is that leather?
this is stone.
Stone?
Yeah. like that, it takes the sharp edge off, so nobody gets cut.
Oh yeah. It's sharp enough to cut you.
Oh yeah, sometimes if I forget and I'm trying to pop lenses in, I get like paper cuts almost.
Wow. All right, so now off to the front.
Yep. And we hand them off to get cleaned up.
So you've cleaned them real thoroughly with a proper lens cleaner.
Correct. Washed them in the sink. You should always use really mild stuff like hand soap.
Hand soap, okay.
Don't use this. This is for cleaning dishes. Okay? Don't ever use anything weird. Keep it mild. Warm, not cold, not hot.
How about for glass lenses? Is too warm a problem for
no
that?
one really uses glass lenses. No, too warm's not.
These are glass, but I guess they're not prescription, right?
Yeah, we're talking prescription here. So we got to clean off all the. We sealed the edge, so it's not. We want to seal it so it keeps the mirror coat on.
Oh, like on that face, so it doesn't start peeling back.
Right. Well, it probably wouldn't, but we do it anyway. It seals the lens.
So you come from a long family of opticians,
Eye doctors.
Yeah, ophthalmologists.
We owned ODs, no.
Okay.
Optometrists.
Optometrists.
We owned American Vision Centers in Colorado, all of them. And we sold them or we closed them not too long ago. So I used to be a laser vision coordinator, and then I was an optical wholesaler, and then I ran a lab for a while.
Okay. Were you an eye doctor? Or
No.
are you an eye doctor?
No, I'm certified in a bunch of stuff, though. I'm an optical battle station.
Certified in badass glasses.
I'm just cleaning glasses. But yeah, I was
I'm
friends
looking at
with
the ones
Brett,
on your head.
these are the real deal. These are 24 karat gold on titanium.
Shit, we may have to follow you in the parking lot.
These are like, just the frame's about $1,000.
Jeez, that's quite a flex, man. Quite
Look
a
at
flex.
that. There's no plastic on these. It's all metal. It's all gold. See, the nose pads aren't even.
Are those prescription lenses?
Yeah. So I put a little bit of fade in the lens. So there's like a little bit darker and it gets lighter.
Mm-hmm.
And I did a flash gold red mirror coat. And then when I take these outside, they actually get darker, and the mirror coat actually gets stronger. They're much different looking in the sun.
That's cool.
These are my pimp glasses.
Pimp glasses.
All right. Let me tighten it up and clean them up, and you're all done.
What do you got? Are those?
I'm going to get a pair of those.
Yeah.
Hold on, baby. Come on, baby. So once again, I stopped at Sports Optical, Tacticalrx. They dialed in my regular sunglasses. Thank you, man. I love you. Bye. Amazing store, Denver, Colorado. And I'm not from Denver. I stop here when we come. And they do all my shooting glasses. They do my, just, I guess, lifestyle glasses. They do my regular clear glasses that you see me wearing in videos that I wear to wherever. Love you guys. Look at these dudes. Family business. Two boys. They've got sweet cars out here. Their dad owns some rally race cars. There you go. Check them out, and always use the code CarryTrainer to save money with some really great people right here in Denver, Colorado. Sports Optical or Tacticalrx will get you to the website. Hope you enjoyed the little video. I enjoy my new glasses. We're off to see a show at Red Rocks tonight. Be well. Don't be dickheads. Tell somebody you love them. Protect your eyes. You only get two.